This kebab is gonna be spicy. We are doing kebab with parts of our chicken breast. Yes, as you can see, I have cut them into kebab sizes, small, 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 small. So I have here my locally prepared chicken seasoning. I'm coming to marinate my chicken. I'll sprinkle some generous amounts on it. Add my seasoning cube and then some vegetable oil to be able to mix it. Guys, I'll add a little of my kebab pepper to marinate it as well. I'll add more oil. Okay. Wow. I love the way it is looking already. This kebab is gonna be spicy. I can't wait to dig in. It looks so colorful, so spiced. So well spiced. I'm waiting for it to be marinated. Chicken is now covered in foil. Yeah. And then we'll let it marinate for some few minutes to an hour, and then we'll come and stack them on our kebab stick, and then ready to the barbecue. That is nice. So guys, I'm coming to taste the chicken. Yes, especially made on Boxing Day by my husband. Sorry guys, you're invited. Mm. Oh my god, I can feel every spice in the chicken. Oh my goodness. And I guess I can tell what the reason was. We marinated the chicken overnight in the fridge. So the spice has gone everywhere in the chicken. A real rano, like let me speak to you. A real rano. Yeah. I won't say the chicken is well spiced, juicy. In fact, let me take another bite.
And that is a wrap.